Morning, folks. Welcome to Early World History on Monday, 11/16. Today you're going to be starting a new unit. Excuse me. You're going to be starting a new unit, and Miss Sullivan's going to be taking over. So she's going to be teaching you about classical civilizations. If you look here, you have an opener for today. And that opener is really just a reading about the classical era. You're going to read about what classical civilizations are, and then you're going to answer both, not just one, both of these questions. What do the words classic and classical make you think of? And based on the definition above, why do you think we study the classical era? Then you're going to go to next. And you're going to work on this Introduction to Classical India worksheet. So it looks like this when it'll load for you, but remember, when I'm in my teacher account logged in as a student, it won't load my documents, but this will load for you, and if not, you can send me a text or an email and I can fix it for you. You're going to look at the Indian Sea Complex. You're going to be looking at this map, looking at things that are imported and exported from different continents, looking at how India right here, things that it sets out, including religion, and look at these overland and water routes. It's important to note that India, located in Asia, is really connected to Europe and Africa through these trade routes, as well as other Asian countries. You're going to complete the See, Think, Wonder. Okay, so 3 things you see, 2 things you think about what the Indian Sea Complex was like, and then 2 questions you have about the map. So just to get you thinking about this region. Then you're going to look at India's location and geography. You have this map, a short reading. You're going to look at how India juts out into these bodies of water, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean. And then you're going to answer these questions below. Go back to the reading if you need help with any of those. Then you have this timeline looking at India from the beginning with the Indus River Valley, into the Vedic period, the Mauryan Empire, which you'll learn about tomorrow, regional dynasties, and then the Gupta, which you'll learn about on Wednesday. After you read these short sections, you're going to answer these questions about India. Once you are finished, if you go back to the module, there is a video for you. Excuse me, there's a video for you in a puzzle on Mohenjo-Daro. So it's just a quick video showing you what that town looked like and how advanced it actually was. And then before you leave for the day, you have an exit ticket. So just like always, these virtual days are set up very similar to in-person days, or days when we have whole class meets. So your exit ticket is just to tell 2 things you learned about classic India. And I want to note the second part, one thing must be from the Mohenjo-Daro video. If you have any questions, feel free to text me, email me, and I can get back to you as soon as possible to make sure that you are able to finish your work today. Don't fall behind. This is the 2nd unit of Marking Period 2. All right, folks, see you tomorrow or see you Thursday.